I heard you like it dirty. So do I. Keep your deviant desires in your pants and just make me my bloody martini. Okay? Kemcho Dikra. Unsobered expert Tanaz Daruwala is back because you sound like depraved idiots when you're at the bar. When you hear her say dirty, extra dirty or filthy at a bar, don't get a hard on. The poor Dikri just wants a splash of olive brine in her drink to make it more savory. When she says she wants a virgin, she doesn't mean you. It means she just wants her cocktail made without alcohol. Okay? And for Khodai's sake, when she says she wants her cocktail wet, she doesn't mean that. It just means she likes her martinis with more vermouth. Softer and sweeter. Unlike you, you naughty boy. Stop creeping the Dikris out with your This has been Rant on the Rocks. Follow Unsobered for more Daru Gyan. Okay?